Welcome to my class. Yes, Adiba, Shweta, Radhika, Pratibha, Renuka, Nagabhushan. So many days. Why you are not there? Yes, can you hear me, everyone? Hi, everyone. It is showing it is crashed. Okay, okay, leave. Two links are opened. One is showing it is crashed. That's why I took 2 minutes. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, today shall we discuss few important MCQ questions based on what we learned up to here, based on the mirror, spherical mirror, everything. I told next class I will do in detail. Okay, okay. Don't worry, Renuka. You listen the recorded class. If you have any doubt, I given my mail address. Even when you will attend your live classes, no, that time you can ask if you have any doubt, anything. If you are not able to follow properly, in the live classes means you can ask at a time if you have the doubt. Recorded class means you don't have that option. Listen the class. If you have the doubt, make a note. Then once when you will attend the live class, ask the doubts if you have. Okay. Even through mail also you can ask if you have the doubt. Okay. Within 40 or 45 minutes I will take today, because next tomorrow I will explain. If possible, I will take the class tomorrow 4 to 5 o'clock. Important concept I will explain tomorrow, like scattering, then polarization, dispersion, everything. Today I not got that much of time, because I have to, that one I have to prepare even explanation also, even suitable diagram, example, everything. Nowadays I am taking everyday classes, no, that's why I am not getting the time to prepare the concept. I will try to, because I have my intention, I have to complete the portions as early as possible. At least I will make an alternate, one day MCQ, next day topic explanation. Maths it will be easy, I can do it, but physics what will happen, I don't know. I don't have exact material what I have to teach. Even I have to prepare it, I have to make a slide proper, everything, it will take lot of time. Explaining in school, that it will be easy, but in the online I have to prepare everything, slide, then I have to convert into PDF, means it will need time. Okay, okay, solve questions. Today I will not help you, because already I explained everything. Only you have to answer the MCQ questions. Okay. Optic fiber cable is used in communication. Works on the principle of. This also I explained. Optic fiber, it will works on the principle of which one? Radhika, Rashmi, Meghana, yes, everyone are telling. Total internal reflection. Yes, this is correct. What you are telling, the answer is correct. It will work on the principle of total internal reflection. What is mean by total internal reflection? What is mean by that? See, when the object, when it is moved from rarer medium to denser medium, then normally all the rays they will get even refracted. But in the case of a total internal reflection, once it cross the critical angle it should be 90-degree. Assume here the object it will be there, then this is the incident ray, then like this it has to refract. Once it reach the critical angle, once again it will move along the surface of the two different medium, that one we will consider as a critical angle. Once it cross the critical angle, more than critical angle, more than 90 degree, okay, then in this ray, instead of refraction, it will get reflected. It will get reflected in the same medium. It will get reflected in the same medium instead of refraction. That process we will call it as a total internal reflection, because already I explained this one. When you will observe this one total internal reflection, when the angle between the two medium, when it will cross the critical angle, we will observe total internal reflection. Even we will observe this phenomenon in fiber optics also. Then in the one more case I will explain when it will come. Okay, next answer next question. In summer, people prefer wearing which type of cloth they will prefer? Start answering. Easy questions. Light colored clothes as they absorb less heat. Dark colored clothes as they absorb less heat. Dark colored clothes as they absorb more heat. Light colored clothes as they absorb more heat. What is the correct answer? In a summer, people prefer to wear light color clothes because it will absorb more heat. That is the correct answer. Light color clothes as they absorb less heat. Option 1 is the correct answer. Light color cloth normally we will wear in the summer because it will absorb the less heat. If you wear the dark color cloth, like even dark colors, then it will absorb more amount of heat, then your body it will feel it is hot. Very basic concept, that one. Okay, next, very important question. Answer the question. Shall I make it little? Okay. Next question. When we stand in front of our dressing table when we stand in front of our dressing table combing our hair, our left hand appears to be on the right and right appears to be on the left in the image. This phenomenon is known as, what is that phenomenon? Myopia? No. Lateral inversion? Persistence of vision? Accommodation? Out of 4. Yes, everyone are telling. Very good, very good. Then everyone are reading. Very good. That one we will consider as a lateral inversion, or even we will use one more word, that is erect image also. Both also same. Don't get confused between the lateral inversion and erect image. On the plane mirror we will get the erect image. That also same. Next, the power of a convex lens is negative, 0, infinite, positive. Tell me, power of a convex lens, positive or negative? It will not 0 definitely. It will not even infinite also. Positive or negative? Everyone are telling positive. Let us check the answer. Yes. The power of a convex lens is positive. In case of a concave, that it will be negative. Then focal length also it will be same. Both also it will be same. Focal length in the case of a concave, it will be negative. In the case of a convex, it will be positive. Remember, these are the few important concepts you have to remember. Then I told now one more, it will be based on total internal reflection, that is nothing but mirage. I only told the answer. Then what is the answer for this one? Mirage is an example of which one? Reflection, refraction, scattering. Tell me. Pratibha, now only I explained mirage. One more, it will follow the total internal reflection, that is nothing but mirage and also optic fiber. Mirage. I included even explanation also here. Listen here. See, in the hot summer day, the air near the ground become hotter than the air hotter than the air at the higher level. They are telling, consider this is the ground. See, near the ground, the air is there, no, that is hotter. Why it is hotter? Because the ground, when the sun rays falls on the ground it will get heated up. Okay, then it will get heated up. Then what will happen? Then that air, it does not contain a moist. Understood? Therefore, the air near to the ground, it will be hot. Once you move above the ground, what will happen? The air, it will, the hotness of the air, it will be decreases, because the air, it contains a moist. Moist is nothing but the water droplet. Correct, no? Water droplet is nothing but a moist. This one is very, very important point. Maybe they may ask even MCQ also. Then one more thing, the refractive index of air increases with its density. As the density increases, then normally the refractive index also it will be increases. Then hotter air is less dense than the, has a smaller refractive index than the cooler air. Hotter air, it will be near to the land. It has more, the hotter air is dense and has a small refractive index. Refractive index of hotter air, it will be small compared to the refractive index of the cooler air. Because why means the cooler air, it contains a water droplet, and also this one it will be dense compared to the hot air. Then here, if the air current are small, that is the air is still, the optical density at different layer of air increases with the height. Here the optical density, as we move from bottom to the top, here from the ground to the top, then here the optical density is nothing but the density, otherwise the refractive index, it will be increases. Now these are the very important topic you have to remember. Then as a result, light from a tall object such as tree passes through a medium whose refractive index decreases towards the ground. As here, as the light rays, when it is moving towards the ground, then the refractive index, it will be decreases. Then thus a ray of light from such an object successively bends away from the normal, undergo total internal reflection if the angle of incidence for the air near the ground exceeds the critical angle. You know, when total internal reflection, when it will happen, when it is cross the critical angle 90 degree. Then here normally you will on the ground, this is the tree. In the desert, you will see the shadow, it will be on the ground. Even diamond also, it will show the total internal reflection. Then here when you see on the desert, then you will observe the light rays, they will be coming from the ground. But normally the light rays, they will not come from the ground, but it will be appear. Okay, and also here one thing you have to remember, refractive index, as we move from top to bottom, it will be decreases. Why it will be decreases? Near to the ground you are having the hot air, when you move you are having the cool air. Then here the density, it will be more here. Then as we move down, density it will be decreases. Refractive index, it will be mainly depend upon the density of the medium. That is the meaning up to what I explained. Then next one, to a distant observer, the light appear to be coming from the somewhere below the ground and naturally assume that the light is being reflected from the ground. I told no. For the observer, he will think the light it will be coming from the ground, but exactly it is a shadow. The light it will not come from the ground. The reflected light, the reflected light it will be appear to come from the ground. Then this one you can observe in the swimming pool also. Pool of water near the tall object, such inverted image of distant tall object cause an optical illusion to the observer. This phenomenon is called as a mirage. We will get the shadow. Shadow it will be inverted. You can observe here the shadow what we are getting here. This is the inverted image. Okay, this one is the inverted image. That one you have to remember. That one we will call it as a mirage. This type of mirage is especially common in hot desert. You can observe this one in the hot desert. Some you might have noticed that while moving in a bus or a car during a hot summer, a distant patch of road you can observe, especially on a highway, appear to be wet. This one I don't know how many you observed. Normally I will move from Bank to Mysore to Bangalore in the car. Normally you will observe the roads are very wide, and also you this thing you will observe exactly at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, because that time it will be too hot. Correct? Now in the summer you will observe that one. The roads it will appear to wet. If you go near to the road, then you will come to know the road is not wet. Because this, why it will happen? Because due to the total internal reflection. Here normally when the change in the medium, the light rays it has to refract. Instead of refraction, it will get reflected within the medium. Because of the reason, the road it will appear wet. Okay. Okay, that is very important. This one mirage they will ask. Then what is the cause of the mirage, and then why it will happen, everything I explained here. Maybe based on this concept they make you the okay. Even they twist the question also. If you know the concept, easily you can answer. The color in a rainbow are formed by dash phenomenon. This don't worry, I will explain in detail. Dispersion, diffusion, everything. Reflection, refraction, you know. Diffusion, dispersion, everything I will explain. Tell me, this is the very general question. Option 4, yes. The color in the rainbow, it will be due to the presence of dispersion. Dispersion is nothing but splitting up of white light into 7 different colors. That much you remember. Don't worry, in detail I will explain dispersion. Even I included here, but I will spend more time. Deeply I have to explain the process of dispersion in the next class. Okay. Which are the topic over? That one you answer. Which one is not over? Next one I will, next class I will explain. Okay. Next. A bifocal lens is used as an remedy in which of the following defect in the eyes? This one I explained yesterday. Yes. Yes. Yes, the correct answer is presbyopia. Yes, the correct answer for this question is presbyopia. Here we will use both the lens, convex and concave lens we will use. In detail I explained yesterday class what is the use. Those who are having short sightedness, long sightedness, that person he will suffer by presbyopia. We will use here both concave, convex, because we need bifocal lens. Bifocal lens we need. Solve the question here. What will be the power of a concave lens of focal length? You know power, it will be 1 by f. Okay, increase the font size. Okay. Now can you see now, Jaya? Solve the problem. This also is yesterday we did 2-3 problem based on the power. Option 4, everyone are telling point. Okay, let us check the answer. What is mean by power? If I increase the font size here, it is looking blur. Okay, in the question I will increase, explanation I will make little. Okay, you can see now the power, it will be, you know the formula, P, it will be 1 by F, and here they are given what is the value, 1 divided by minus 5. Why minus? Because in the case of a concave lens the power is negative, therefore this one is minus 0.2d. I think yesterday we solved the same problem. Okay, next. The rear view mirrors of the vehicle should be produced. Which type of image it will produce? Inverted, diminished image, enlarged and inverted image, enlarged and erect image, diminished, virtual, erect image. I need correct answer. Rashmi 3. Yes. Where you are using a rear view, normally vehicles we will use. In the vehicles we will get diminished. In the car mirror, bus mirror, vehicles mirror, we will use that image is diminished. That one is not enlarged. Correct? No? You can remember here. Here they are asking rear view. Where we will use in the vehicles, we will get diminished, virtual image and also erect image. Okay. Next, periscope. You know anything about the periscope? Otherwise I will explain. Periscope makes use of, if you know the answer, try. Otherwise I will explain what is meant by periscope. This one, because I not explained this one, what is meant by periscope. 3 spherical mirror, 2 spherical mirror, 2 plane mirrors or 3 plane mirrors. Okay, first I will explain, because this one I not explained. I included question. Let us explain here only. A perisphere makes use of 2 plane mirrors. It is made up of 2 plane mirrors. Periscope are used in order to see the object that are not in direct line of sight. If the object is not exactly on a straight line, then we will use 2 plane mirrors to see the object. It works on the principle of law of reflection. Very useful information. What is meant by periscope? We will use 2 plane mirrors, and also what is the use? If the object is not exactly on the straight line, if it is deviated to some angle, then to see the object we will use the periscope. Then what is the uses? In the submarine, underwater, to view the object at the surface of the water. Correct? Normally in the submarine, normally we are not able to see the object. Okay? In that case we will use the periscope. Then it is used in nuclear reactor to observe the chemical reaction that are taking place. Then in the military, periscope are used to observe from their hiding position. When you keep 2 mirrors, 2 plane mirrors, what will happen? Multiple reflection it will happen, then you are able to see the object. Okay. Okay, directly you are not able to see the object, but because of the multiple reflection you are able to see the object, the image it will form, then you can. Okay, that is the use of the periscope. Then here, what is the correct answer for this question? Periscope, it contains two plane mirrors. Next. Okay, solve the problem, this one. The velocity of light in a diamond, if the refractive index of a diamond with respect to of vacuum is 2.5. What is the velocity of diamond they are asking here? You know the refractive index of the diamond. If you know, then easily you can. With respect to the vacuum, refractive index is given. You have to calculate the velocity of light. Velocity of light in a diamond. Okay, this one. Try at least, otherwise I will explain. A 1 point, Radhika 1.2 into 10 to the power 8. Everyone are telling A. Let us discuss. What is mean by refractive index? Let us discuss. Already I explained, but one more time. What is mean by refractive index? It is indicated by the mu, the ratio of the velocity of light in vacuum divided by velocity of light in the medium. Mu, it will be equal to C divided by V. C means velocity of light in vacuum divided by velocity of light in the medium. C means speed of light in the vacuum, then V is the speed of light in the medium. Then here they are given refractive index of diamond, they are given 2.5. Then velocity of light is 3.8 into 10 to the power of 8. You know, mu it will be equal to C by V. You have to calculate V. V it will be C by mu. What is the value of C? 3 into 10 power 8. Refractive index of diamond they are given 2.5. Then simplify this one. 30 divided by 25 into 10 power 8. Then 5 are 6 are 6 by 5 is nothing but 1.2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. At least I will give the list in the next class. Refractive index of diamond, then air, water, some important refractive index I will give. If you know the refractive index, then you can calculate the speed of light in the particular case. Easy, no? This answer this question. In general, refractive index of diamond is 2.44. They rounded off and they are given 2.5. In the exam, what they will give? Take that value. Already they are given 2.5, no? Near to 2.44. Yes, blue color of the sky and reddish appearance of the sun at the sunrise or sunset is due to the, yes, scattering of light. Yes, correct answer. This also in detail tomorrow I will explain. Scattering, dispersion, everything. Okay. Then answer this one. In a concave mirror, when the object is at C, the size of the image. Very easy question. What is the correct answer, Rashmi? Would have the same. Very good. Correct answer. At A, see, if you place the object in the case of a concave mirror, the size of the image would have the same size, and also the image it will be formed at C only. Same position, same size. That one you have to remember. Okay, today is the small half an hour class because I told no, I need some more time to prepare dispersion, everything. That's why instead of simply not taking the class, at least I took half an hour class. At least I can able to discuss few MCQ questions. Tomorrow, if I prepare it properly, optics I will take 4 o'clock. Otherwise, maths I will take. Tomorrow, 4 to 5 o'clock I will take the class. Every day I am taking the class now. That's why I am not able to manage the time. For preparation, I need more time. Maths also I completed variation. Even I am not get the proper. Even that also I prepare. That's why that variation it took more time. It will be easy once. It will be easy for you if I do so much of hard work, because I have to prepare questions, everything. First I have to read, then only I told no HSTR still we don't have the proper book to refer the syllabus, then MCQ, everything. That's why. Okay, if you have the doubt you can ask me, otherwise I will finish the class. Are you reading, everyone? Up to here, what we discussed, at least 50% of the portions, physics also, maths also, everything is completed. Everyone, are you reading seriously? No answer. Okay. No one have the doubt means I will. Radhika, you need test based on whatever the topic I completed, that one. Online, if I send, I will not tell anything. You have how I will evaluate you. You will judge yourself. Now onwards MCQ I will prepare Sunday. Okay, based on the topic I will be sitting in the live. You will answer yourself. Otherwise I have to send in the format of PDF. Shweta, that I don't know. I will answer your question next class. Okay, because that is biology based. No, normally up to second PUC I read biology. Simple and compound microscope I don't know, which I will tell in the next, in the Google form. Okay, Radhika, I will discuss this one with sir. We will see, because I don't have I one Adiba sent the what link, but I am not able to open the Telegram link. I don't know. I am not using, even my husband, me, we are not using the Telegram. I don't know how to use that one. I have to ask either my brother or someone. Okay, we will see. Okay, no doubt. We will meet tomorrow at 4 to 5 o'clock. Okay. Okay, bye. Take care. Read. Okay, thanks everyone. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Read.